What's the meaning of concert band? Concert band. Concert band.
Concert band. Concert band. A concert band is a musical ensemble typically composed of woodwind, brass, and percussion instruments. It differs from an orchestra in that it does not include string instruments. Concert bands typically perform a wide range of music styles, including classical, contemporary, and popular music. The size of the ensemble can vary, but it often consists of 40 to 60 musicians. Concert bands play in various settings, such as outdoor events, concert halls, and community gatherings. They are an important part of music education and provide a platform for musicians to showcase their talents.